cacophony of chattering creatures, a striped figure wobbled into view. Vibrant and wide-eyed, he ventured forth, blissfully unaware of the mischief awaiting him. Suddenly, the ground slipped beneath his feet. With a comical whoosh, he landed in a heap, the warning sign sneering behind him. The jungle erupted with laughter. Those playful pranksters mistook the newcomer for the celebrated king of the jungle, Tarzan himself. Bananas rained down, transforming the forest floor into a banana-scented party scene. Confused but intrigued, he ducked and dodged. He zipped through, a streak of stripes, careening deeper into the cave, his laughter ringing against the stone, a melody of absurdity. Out of the darkness swung a figure, wild and free, eyes sparkling with mischief. He spotted the hapless hero and burst into hearty laughter. The collision sent both sprawling, a tangle of limbs and laughter. Who knew Tarzan would be so? Striped, the jungle lord chuckled. Instead of fleeing, the newcomer found himself captivated. Tarzan's tail spun like vines, wrapping around his imagination, tugging him closer. With newfound courage, the striped one accepted an invitation. Shall we explore? Asked the jungle's heart. Excitement bubbled within him. Together they soared, creating echoes of joy through the trees. Chaos danced with laughter, and their spirits soared higher than the tallest vines. Days turned to visits, and visits turned into parties, balancing balloons as he entered. He discovered friendship in the heart of the jungle. Once a case of mistaken identity, now a bond blossomed through laughter.